Yeah. Man, with the right time. Sorry, right there. Right there, but the dog. Alright, cool. You're live on 91.7 FM, DYFA Garifuna radio station. Right here, man, we're showing some love to one and all the realest dog, man. We have to lay out the rest today. You got on, but we have to put on again because we got plenty more like that. He's a special dog, right? But dog, they feel it with the man because I own dog too. I got Doberman, I got German Shepherd, you know what I mean? I got Belgian Malinois, I got some big dogs. So, ladies and gentlemen, man, we're here with Doggy, celebrating the life. This is celebrating the life of his companion, his homeboy, right there. Sweets. Right? Sweets. Rest in peace to Sweets. Right? So we gotta give Doggy all the love we need right now. All the support we need to give Doggy, because Doggy show love to everybody. Right? But Sweets, or I get a lot more of you after this, Sweets. A lot more, because Doggy take good care of his dog. You know? And we're here to support Doggy with Sweets. Sweets going down as soon as Doggy get over. But you can't get over it. Yeah. Can't get over this. Right, Doggy, I will set you up to your fans, man.
Alright. Dog eat dog, man. Once you live in, we always have a praise to God, man. You understand me? Cause everything, man. You understand me? No fuss and fight, man. You understand me? People kill one another, so I believe that's what. Anyway, that's not right, man. You understand me? You have to take care of one another, you understand me? Jah is our work. Jah is everything now. You understand me? And Jah watch over all. You get me? Jah watch over all. When you happen all the way, just give thanks and praise, man. Damn, man.
Yeah, Sweets passed away. When the Sweets passed away, that? Last night, they knocked down Sweets, right?
Damn, dog.
They knocked down the man. Man, we're here. That's my body this. That's my personal body, so I have to go show us some love. Have to show us some love. The man really love Sweets. So Sweets gone down, right? Sweets gone down. And nothing but love, the doggy right there. Anytime I hear up a doggy come. So, doggy hear upon me, I have to come and show the man some support. This is love. This is real love. Real love for your pets. Real love for your companion. Right? So, we support doggy is going through this right now. Dog, we have to settle the people.
Man, just love one another, man. And be great, man. You understand me? You know, tomorrow I want to bring, man. You understand me? I want to forget pressure, man. But some have to die. But then, you have to be this way. You understand me? Damn, man. Damn, though.
Yeah, so that's it right there, ladies and gentlemen. Dog, you feel it. Dog, to go through it. But you get over this one now. Right? Because you got more to come, dog. Just hang in there. Stay strong. You know, this is serious business right here. This is serious business from Doggy. Right? Doggy show a lot of love to people in the community. And somebody knocked down the man pet, but he'll be alright. This is my personal bally, dog.
Everything for God, man. You understand me? God will take everything, man. You understand me? It's a God, man. You get me? It's a God, man. God is a God, man. It's a God, brother. Damn, dog. You're gonna be sick, man. You want to get my whole life. Damn, dog.
Yeah, man, dog. I gotta go through it, ladies and gentlemen. You know, let's give some love to the man right now. The man, you know what I mean? This is a serious thing right there, so. Right? But everything will be alright, doggy. Everything will be alright, ladies and gentlemen. The man pet gone in. But we are here to support our homeboy, doggy. He's always with us. You know? But enough love, see way. You got a lot of fans right now, dog. Just to put up the hands of dog. Put up the hands of doggy. Alright? So.
When I got my dog, man, they was a love and peace, man. Because out everything, man. It was on my life, but you understand. It's a living creature, man. You understand me? I have teased that I take care of his dog. You understand me? So I was like, up and down. Damn, man. So, you know, so thinking of life. You understand me? Damn, man.
His life don't last forever.
Yeah, so man, ladies and gentlemen, we had to come and make a show real love. Real love to doggy, man.
It's all right.
Yeah, bro. So boy, we own dogs, we love dogs. 3 of my dogs dead last year. Dog, 3 of them. 3 of them dead. So I know exactly how you feel about the dog. 3 of mine's dead, I get back 3.
Right? My dog early too. So I know how you feel.
Yeah, man. Yeah, dog. See? Alright, dog. One of the Doberman will come, I'll be for you. One of the Doberman will come. I don't know how Doberman rest. Right? There's some special dog, just like your dog, dog. I promise you when my dog will come, you'll get one of their dog. Right? You will get one of their dogs. You have to get one of their dogs. Alright, so man, it's real. It's real. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in, thanks for sharing your condolences to Doggy and for his dog. His dog is down, but never out. We're getting Doggy another dog. Right, just like Sweets. Alright? Whoever knocked down this man a dog, man, I don't know how to sleep. Knock down the man dog, right? Knock down Doggy dog.
You have to remember they got more than one dog.
Yeah, more than one dog. Correct. Yes, man. Alright, so we gotta go, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in, man. Thanks for condolences with the dog. The dog is out. He's down, but he's not out. He's down, but he's not out. Alright, doggy. Peace out, dog. Sweets, rest in peace to Sweets. From 91.7 DYFA Garifuna Radio Station. Abba East and Lou doggy, man. Level America only. But somebody knocked down the man dog. Justice for Sweets, yeah, right. Yeah, man. Hey, this not funny, no. This not funny. This stuff we dog. Sweets. Later. Go on, dog.
Damn, dog.